Plant FAQs. Heuchera Timeless Treasure. For those seeking a low-maintenance, vibrant perennial for their garden, look no further than Heuchera Timeless Treasure. This eye-catching Heuchera boasts stunning foliage and adaptability, making it a favorite among gardeners. Here, Ferb answers some of the most common questions about Heuchera Timeless Treasure. Does Heuchera Timeless Treasure prefer sun or shade? Timeless Treasure is a versatile plant, thriving in both full sun and full shade. However, ideal conditions depend on your climate. Northern climates, full sun is acceptable, but ensure consistent moisture to prevent color fading. Warmer climates, afternoon shade protects the vibrant foliage from scorching. Can Heuchera Timeless Treasure be grown indoors? While not ideal, it's possible. However, it requires specific conditions. Bright, indirect light. A south-facing window with sheer curtains provides suitable light. Cool temperatures. Aim for 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. Humidity. Group Timeless Treasure with other humidity-loving plants or use a pebble tray. Remember, outdoor planting offers optimal growth and vibrancy. How often should I water Heuchera Timeless Treasure? Timeless Treasure prefers consistently moist soil, but avoid waterlogging. Spring and summer. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Fall and winter. Reduce watering as the plant goes dormant. What type of soil is best for Heuchera Timeless Treasure? Well-draining, fertile soil rich in organic matter is ideal. Amend clay soils with sand or compost for better drainage. How can I improve the soil for Heuchera Timeless Treasure? Before planting, mix compost or aged manure into the soil to improve drainage and fertility. A 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around the base helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Does Heuchera Timeless Treasure need fertilizer? Timeless Treasure generally doesn't require heavy feeding. A light application of balanced fertilizer in spring can promote healthy growth. Does Heuchera Timeless Treasure need deadheading? While not essential, deadheading spent flower stalks encourages the plant to focus its energy on producing vibrant foliage. How do I care for Heuchera Timeless Treasure in winter? In colder climates, apply a layer of mulch after the ground freezes to protect the crown from frost heaving. Can Heuchera Timeless Treasure be divided? Yes, division is a great way to propagate new plants. Divide established clumps in early spring, ensuring each division has healthy roots and foliage. Why are the leaves of my Heuchera Timeless Treasure turning brown? This could be due to underwatering, overwatering, or excessive sun exposure. Adjust your watering schedule and consider providing shade during the hottest part of the day. Are there any pests or diseases that affect Heuchera Timeless Treasure? Timeless Treasure is relatively pest and disease resistant. However, watch for slugs and snails, which can damage the foliage. Handpick these pests or use organic controls. What are the differences between Heuchera varieties? Numerous Heuchera cultivars exist, offering a wide range of foliage colors, textures, and sizes. Here's a quick comparison. Heuchera Berry Smoothie. Similar silvery green foliage with darker veins, but more compact size. Heuchera Georgia Peach. Peach-colored foliage with a contrasting red underside. Prefers partial shade. Heuchera Sanguinea. Green foliage with red veins. More sun-tolerant than Timeless Treasure. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your desired color palette and garden layout. Conclusion. Heuchera Timeless Treasure is a low-maintenance perennial that adds a touch of elegance to any garden. With its adaptable nature and stunning foliage, it's a versatile plant for both novice and experienced gardeners. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Heuchera Timeless Treasure thrives for years to come.